Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit and vice versa step by step. Start by learning anchor points. Freezing is 0 degrees C equals 32 degrees F. Boiling is 100 degrees C equals 212 degrees F. Use the clear formulas and follow example problems to see each step. I'll give simple tips to avoid common errors and show quick checks so you can convert temperatures confidently in everyday situations. Take a Celsius temperature and multiply it by 9 to 5, then add 32 to convert to Fahrenheit, and I'll walk you through an example. For instance, 25 degrees C times 9 to 5 equals 45, then add 32 equals 77 degrees F, and I'll explain why each step works. Practice a few examples with me and use the anchor checks to ensure your conversions are correct every time. To go the other way, subtract 32 from the Fahrenheit value, then multiply by 5 to 9, and I'll show an example together so it's easy to follow. For example, 77 degrees F minus 32 equals 45, times 5 to 9 equals 25 degrees C, and I'll explain common pitfalls like negative temperatures. By practicing both directions, you'll spot mistakes quickly and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.